Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. January 1 marked the official start of Jamaica's digital switchover. It means that local free-to-air television stations are now mandated to transition from analog to the Advanced Television Systems Committee ATSC 3.0 standard. Now, as part of that shift, Television Jamaica became the first broadcaster to join the ATSC. Now our business reporter Javon Keys spoke with TVJ's general manager and the head of the Washington-based ATSC on what this means.
At a time when online entertainment is growing, local television reached a significant milestone this week, the start of the digital switchover, using the Advanced Television Systems Committee ATSC 3.0 standard. Television Jamaica in December 2021 became the first broadcaster in the Caribbean to join ATSC.
We're at the table. We are there where the conversations are happening. We are there and can see and ask questions about things that we need more clarity on. And it has happened at the right time because we are in the middle of doing this.
Madeline Noland is president of the ATSC. She says membership puts Television Jamaica amongst more than 130 broadcasters around the globe, including U.S. brands ABC and CBS.
Our members comprise of broadcasters, equipment providers, and television makers, and pretty much everybody in the broadcast ecosystem who come together to decide on the next generation of television technology within the ATSC.
Korea was the first out of the blocks to implement the ATSC 3.0 technology back in 2017. North America started its switch in 2020. Stations in 46 U.S. markets have begun their transition. Television Jamaica is spending about $7.5 million on the digital switch.
We have been doing stuff internally. So we have upgraded our technical core, our master control, the various studios. New studio has recently been completed. So that everything that is leaving this facility is HD quality and ready for 4K whenever we get to that as something that we'll be doing as a regular broadcast.
The upgrade will also mean an improved experience for viewers.
This technology will allow us to get to even more people in different areas. It also promises a different kind of experience for people who are inside of homes. And most importantly, I think, is that it as the devices change and are rolled out, you will be able to be walking down the road with your telephone, minus data, and see TVJ or how many other channels that we have.
Devices have also become a concern. However, Ms. Noland says manufacturers are now keeping a pace.
In the United States, the Consumer Technology Association makes predictions about how many units might sell in a year. And at the beginning of 2021, they predicted that they would sell roughly 800,000 units. Well, in the middle of the year, they corrected that prediction and said, actually, it's more like 2.1 million that will probably sell this year. And our expectation is that even that number is going to be completely eclipsed.
But until market saturation, Jamaicans may have to invest in set-top boxes to access the signals. And while analog switch-off is slated for 2023, Television Jamaica expects to carry both outputs until adequate device penetration. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Authorized dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $155.38. $122.37 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $209.88 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $178.47. The JC index advanced by 1,861 points today, while the junior market index gained 4 points. Among today's winners were JMB Group 7.25% shares, Stanley Motor, G West Corporation, CAC 2000 and Siboney Group. While on the losing side were JMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, JMB Group 7.25% variable shares, VM Investments Limited and Elite Diagnostics. And that's your Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.